Today we are on mission. Try to rescue our grass. As you guys can see, I have a lot of dry portions. Random green, not like green, the solid the way we need it. At the same time, we are jealous from our neighbors. We're not supposed to. We also happy. They give us motivation to save our grass. We have done almost everything. Nothing works. So then I done a lot of study about this grass, the one they planted. It is seasonal, like summer grass, warm weather. And winter it go dry, and summer it get green. So last year I overseeded, and you can see the green. It's a tall fescue, all weather grass. And today we are trying to overseed with the fescue grass. As you can see, I have one gentleman on that side. What he doing, he started from this corner all the way end. He almost done. It's like almost half of acre. He's using Dethatcher. I believe I say right. So what he actually doing, he have a machine which one is racking the grass. This is old video. I just want to show example like how this Dethatcher working. So actually I'm racking my grass, and it will pick all the dead grass. I'm going to show you in 2 rounds how much dead grass it picked up. The machine does like that. It pick all the dead grass. All the dead grass, he tried to pick it up, and top of that one, whatever leaving behind. But the lawnmower, I cut as much as deep I can so I can see ground, so I can overseed. So we are done in almost halfway. We have a Dethatcher all the way to the end. Until halfway we have a lawnmower. And now the rest of part we have to use lawnmower other side, and this side we're gonna start overseeding, and hopefully it will save our grass. Over time I think I have to do almost every year until I completely get to green. I cannot put any kind of fertilizer right now because I'm going to overseed. So now the day I'm doing overseeding, and the seed I am using is tall fescue grass, and it's about like a 45-pound bag. So this is the same grass after 10 days. It's going a lot better. Most of green right now. That's green part is the seed from last year. So this year's seed still coming out. It's really hard to see at this time, but I seen there's a lot of seed coming out. The one have done overseed. This is day 20 since we have fixed our grass. We overseed. I think we are succeeded. 60 to 70% grass is green already, and the one we have overseeded, that seed also coming out. Dead grass, you can see some are gonna stay there until the new grass gonna be higher than that one and cover. But what we try to achieve, I think we achieved. So we will be end video here, fixing our grass or saving our grass. I hope you guys like my video. Please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. That's all for today. See you in next video with the new topic.